Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you how to make a website like mine. Here you could make pages about what your information or your title is about. I created Roblox information. This is just about Roblox. Now this hot games, my favorite games, my second favorite game, and all of these stuffs. So now I'm gonna teach you how to do a web like mine. So let me delete these first. Okay, first, if you got an account like mine, you press on this 9 dots. It says Google Apps. Press it. Then you will scroll down to the bottom. It says Sites. Press it. And you will get the page like this. You click blank, the plus, and you get your title. Let me title this sauce. Or let's title this Rubik. So these are the content box. Press this, you could add a picture or something. The back and search Google Rubik. I choose this one. I choose this one. Press insert. And 2 years later, okay, here I got a picture. The title of the picture, Rubik. Make the stuff you want to write about Rubik. So that's how do you make an app. Information here, text box. For the text box, you just write Rubik is easy, like that. Then you want to make a new page, just go over this pages. You see the home page is this page. Then you go down here, press new page, put the name Rubik still. Okay, now I got a new page named Rubik. Go and insert. And if you want to make tens, here you can make anything you like. I don't care about these. So next, oh, you can even make custom Rubik. Then next, you add a T. What color should I add? Basically, Rubik is a rainbow, so I will choose red. Next, put the words. What's this? Body text. Come on. Pretty. Would you look at that? Beautiful. Now you can do insert. Go insert. Book free pictures. Blah blah blah. Blah blah blah. 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 Wait. Blah. 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 A face or something in your website, in your web. Okay, so now you're done. Give a name. X. No. Rubik. Then now you go to the publish. Here, next to your avatar. Press it. Give it, yeah. Yeah, I literally console, yeah. So, click the publish button. Boom, 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 boom. Now we wait. And now if you want to see it, there should be something right here. Press it. Go on to view publish site. Press it. Press it. And it will take you to your site. What?
Say goodbye.
But if you want to undo it, you just need to unpublish. This is a sample, so I will unpublish it. Okay, bye bye.